guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am back at it again. Hey, Papa. Good morning. What are you up to? You good? You good, Alex?
Yeah. Do you like my hair? I got it done yesterday.
Wow, amazing. I don't know, but that's what she said she likes, so she said she wanted for the summer. You good, Papa? You gonna do yours too? I was supposed to do some packing at bars this morning, but we gotta put that off because the guys them coming to do pouring some concrete. We're doing some concrete work in the backyard, so I gotta get things sorted out. Hey, we gotta move the cars them and get them out of the way. How are you doing, man? Good. I'm assuming you guys gonna do the concrete in the back. Okay, this is where you guys gonna go through. Yeah, we're gonna do it this side. Okay, this is the shed right here. Okay. Yeah, guys, so we are moving the shed and put it into a different location because we're gonna be building an outside bar and grill area. But before we put it down, we're gonna pour some concrete so that we can put it on it. You wanna go in the back?
I want to go inside the excavator. I want to go inside the under 2 cars.
You cannot go in there
Wow.
because they're working.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought they were here to let us drive the bulldozer.
No. Huh? Yeah. You gotta put the shed. It's moving the shed to bring out here, so it's best to put it on concrete.
Right.
Oh.
You understand? Okay. Yeah, guys. So as I was saying, that we're moving up the shed so that we can have a nice bar and grill area. There's a nice size porch around there, but we want something down on the flat. We're gonna bring in a pool also, so we're gonna have the pool, the bar, and the grill section right in the back, close to the back porch. Yeah, so that we can have a nice entertainment set up in the back of the yard. We're gonna empty it and move it down there, because what happens, we're gonna use this, the whole of this. We're gonna connect it to the back porch. We're gonna have the pool around the back, and out of here is gonna be a gazebo. I'll show you it.
So are they gonna dig it for pool?
Yes, we're gonna put a pool in the back out there. Yeah. So this gotta go out there.
Are you serious?
Yes. So,
oh my God! I always wanted to pull that.
So these and the trash cans gonna go out that way. They're preparing right now. So the trash cans and the shed's gonna go there, and then we're gonna put up a gazebo, and then underneath the gazebo we're gonna have a patio furniture set.
Can you tell me what a gazebo looks like?
I'm gonna show you it.
Show me.
Can
you just?
We're gonna have the grill. We're gonna have a bar area.
This is soon gonna look like a mansion outside.
Look at the flowers. Yeah. Ready to take a walk?
So we're gonna have to take all those rocks.
Yeah. It's gonna get sorted out.
All that grass. All that grass. Like there's not going to be any trees there, or the trees are still
No,
going
the
to be
trees
there?
gonna stay there. Ready?
Daddy, they're in the boat.
Oh, you want to see the excavator? What do they call that? The excavator thing?
Excavator. There's half excavator, half bulldozer.
Okay. You wanna go drive it next?
All the grass that's
Sure.
in there.
Yeah.
What are we going to do then? Let's start on the pool first.
No, doing that first.
Oh, man, I want a pool.
Huh?
I want a
You wanna go drive it? You wanna go drive it, bro? You wanna go drive it?
Wow.
You wanna go drive it, bro? You can drive that? You
I
sure?
want to drive it.
Please.
I'm going to be like, turn that way. And then we're going to be at California.
Yeah.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Yeah. Push the wheelbarrow, Olive. Push the wheelbarrow. It's not mine, Max.
Oh no.
His name is Evan. Max.
I'm buying now.
Yeah, they're gonna put the shed is gonna come all the way out there.
Okay, go, my friend. Look
Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Nice.
Put a sprinkler on, bro. You're going to turn that.
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Okay. Nice.
I just don't want to leave it until.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the only one that was there, right?
Yes, that's the only one. Yep.
Okay, you got it.
Nice.
No problem. I thought we'll check in 2 minutes. I'll give you a call back. All right? Así es, pues, tranquilo, pues, al lado. Ahí van las 17, ¿no? Las 17 las jardinera, pero no las jardinera que tienen.
You wanna do what? You wanna go in there? What? You really wanna drive it? Huh? You sure? You know how to drive it? Guess what? You can wash it. You can spray the water on it. That's as good as. Ah, you're waking me up, bro. You're putting your finger in front of the point, man. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Daddy, he sprayed your phone.
Yeah. You good?
I gotta bother you again. He's gonna have a country truck coming. He's gonna park. He's
Okay.
You can move this.
Sorry. Present, is that your truck? Oh, okay. My respect, sir. My respect. All right, all right, all right. Yeah. No, outside is too hot, Max.
¿Cuál es esa, güey?
¿Quieres finichero?
Ah, pues no la vi.
¿Quieres finichero?
Con cosas que pasan, primo.
Vámonos y foto.
¿Qué saben eso? Con cosas que pasan, está viejo.
Es una regla de 4.
Regla de 4.
Allá está atrás, güey.
Yo.
¿Van a creer que lo quito, güey? Va a sobrar, ¿no? Que laven la carreta, güey, ¿no? No, dile. Que nada, pero que usen la mínima cantidad de agua.
Yeah, I don't drive a mixer anymore. I drive their tanker tractor trailer. Oh, yeah? I'm in the yard unloading a tanker. They're like, yo, can you take a load? So I was like, yeah, sure. Yeah, they bought a tractor trailer. Yeah? Yeah. What do you do with that? I drive to Newark twice a day to pick up cement powder for the plant. Yeah, I start at midnight. Oh. Yeah.
How long you been up now?
12:30 I got on the road. I'm back at the yard at like 5:30, 6 in the morning. Yeah. So I've been up since midnight. Usually I do 2 loads.
Wow. Wow. Man. That's some homework, bro.
Almost done.
¿Cómo van las 3 caretas, güey? Echamos María de los Pinos ya. Sí. El reporte, la línea. Tengo reglas para todo. Esta carta, es la misma.
Yo. No, it's too hot around here, Papa. Stay under the shade. I'm not bringing you in the sun.
Ticket now, or you want me to give it to the other guys? Yeah, I'll just go there and get the other thing. So it's 1250. How big's that one? About the same size? So.
So you guys got more of this to do today, or this is the only one?
No more. They're going to another one right now.
Okay, wow.
Set it up in the morning.
Okay.
I just gotta finish this one up and that's it.
Okay.
They gotta finish the other one.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Robinson. It's nice, man. This is it.
Put that out of there.
Huh? You like it, Papa? Huh? You don't like it? What? You didn't get a chance to put your foot and your handprint in there? Huh? That's why you don't like it. Came out nice, bro. Yeah. Beautiful. You wanna put your hand in it? You wanna put your hand and your foot in it, bro? Alright. It came out nice. Yeah. So guys, this is what the thing look like now. We moved the shed. Yeah. We will come back to that in a few minutes. So this is where the shed was. So we move it out. And this is the back porch. Yeah, my flowers them are, they want to shape up. So this is what the back porch look like. Yeah, need to be cleaned up because the flowers are dropping leaves and blossom and everything. The cement company will be coming in again. We're not going to take up this guy, so they're going to be pouring another 6 inches of concrete on top of it. And then after doing that, they were going to be putting up the gazebo, and they were going to bring in the rest of the items them and see how it works out. Yeah. And the rest of the trash cans and they will be coming around this side also. Yeah, we're gonna keep all the trash cans over this side. Beautiful. Love it. So hopefully we can get everything wrapped up before winter chips in, and then we have it to use God's spare life next year. Look at my flowers. Nice, right? Yeah. This mosquito, they suck me blood. Damn mosquito, they suck me blood. Look at him, guy. Look at him. You see him? See my suck me blood? Stop suck me blood. Yeah. Yeah, so we got it done, guys. So right now, just chilling out. Me and Max on the front porch. You guys good?
Pizza.
You want pizza? Okay, we'll get pizza later.
No. And icy for me.
Icy too? You want to say hi to the viewers? Say hi to the viewers. So guys, thanks for tuning in one more time. Bless up your guys' self. Have a wonderful, tremendous weekend. And be blessed, be safe on your journey. Until I see you again, guys. Have yourself a tremendous one. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna try to hit this.